My special guest today, Bab Ngizwe Mngunu.
Uzosho kahle ke mfana wami. Uzosho nje kahle. Uzosho kahle nje. Ngubani?
Ubaba Ngizwe
Mchunu.
Ngiyafuna ngithi baba,
Okay, so the recent report here is because the Sunday Tribune reported that Ubaba had posted a now deleted Facebook video last week in which he made offensive remarks about the LGBTIA plus community. His comments were sparked by the wedding photos of a gay couple, Simon Tlampo and Crosby John Dwana, who recently wed during Imvunulo. In traditional Zulu attire. So can we just play the video and then Ubaba will uzosichaza
Indodelana nanje indoda ambanyala ukugcina ke lawo nisibangela ububhezo nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho uphume naso la eSouth Africa sizonqwasa bukhoma ke manje ke sizonqwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi usithi golofu ethu imvunulo iyo yonke into igugu la kwaZulu jikelele lo mgodoyi wesitabani asifune ngisho inhlawulo kodwa simfisela nje ke ubhubhane ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi ke lesi sitabani sithatha imvunulo iphelele kwaZulu inja nje lento edeserve ukuboshwa udeserve ukuboshwa ngoba phela sokwayizwe eliboshwayo noma kuthiwe ukuxoxa naye.
But awusichazele baba ukuthi busho ukuthini in the video there.
Bengisho ukuthini? Bengisho ukuthi isitabani ayivumelekile ukuthi zivunulwe ngemvunulo kwaZulu ngoba ingubo yethu yokuthandaza we use imvunulo ukuthandaza to communicate with our ancestors and we pray with imvunulo. And it's a symbol of who we are as a Zulu nation, as a Zulu kingdom, the biggest kingdom in an African continent and the second largest in the world. So we command power, we command respect and culture in a format of federal relation. So no one that is culturally prohibited in terms of that created gender. And then utalo mundu azoba indoda bese ngokuzalwa kwakhe uNkulunkulu bese bese yena ethatha imvunulo yomuntu wesilisa kanti yena ungumuntu wesifazane ngokwenhliziyo yakhe bese yena yahamba eyogqoka leyo mvunulo noma bhinqa leyo mvunulo yamakhosi eimpepho yethu njengoZulu bese thina sithandaza ngayo bese mvele kolokho yena thatha ulimi uligqishe emlonyeni kwenye indoda uyayiqabula uthi ke umkakhe asikwazi ukuyivumela njengaleyo under no circumstances. Shembe sheshis, religious Rahanyanas, they got all their rules and regulations in terms of their customary and traditional behavior. Abakwazi ukuthi mfowethu uthi waqoka imvunulo yabaNazaretha nemvunulo sewulisey uyongena eclubini against into abakholelwa kuyona shuthi wena uthi bayiziphukuphuku you are insulting them uthi bayiziphukuphuku leyo nto leyo vele into eyishibhile nje because I can afford. And then when you are found out you don't even humble yourself ukuthi no cha la ngathi sishayisile, can you explain further? Finish. And then bese bexolisa instead bafuna sikhulume ngabo instead of ukukhuluma ngeqiniso lokuthi kwenzakaleni. They don't seek to the problem because these people are attention seekers. Their culture is attention. So what they are excited about getting an attention, not looking and zooming into the problem so that the problem must be resolved, the culture must be respected. Klal. Because we have been there with gays and lesbians gazetted by rule of law in South Africa in 1998. Yabon uThabo Mbeki ethi amadoda wakana nodwa edakiyo njalo na uThabo Mbeki wasuka lapho kwavubeleka kwaba right kwaba nemthetho sisekelo yonke into and masiba fike emcimbini bayijabule sihagana nabo ugidwe basifake emcimbini yeah sabahaka bafowethu abafowethu we are one nation, we are one people. It's just that you choose your path. That does not affect me if the government of South Africa allows you to practice your culture. Even when I look at it as non-religious and uncultural, but it's not for me to judge you.
Your thoughts, Penduk?
Yeah, my thoughts. It's
I hear what you're saying. It's valid, right? However, is there like a quotable rules, you know? I was seeing to KwaZulu, maybe that were laid by a king that says a man who's gay cannot wear ibheshu or umvunulo. What's the king's stance on that? Or the prime minister of the Zulu nation, what's their stance on that? On gay men and wearing ibheshu? Because I've seen Aldrin St. Pierre has a picture with his husband
the first
or boyfriend.
gay black couple
the first
married.
Gay married couple, Cameron Mudisa, they even
Come
divorced.
up,
They were both wearing...
Yeah, sho nje abaqali kwaZulu kwenza kanje
angubona umbhemisango nabanye abantu abanendlala nabokoyizo
namanje sayibhema insango nithi
okwaphi lento kaphela
le bayenza
Let's not deviate though from the
ukubona
question.
kwaZulu.
Yes. Ihlali yenziwa abantu mabeshada agqoka imvunulo yakhe, maybe usibona zumzulu. Yabo, so you question uqala, and then the second one ties into it is, if a man is gay, can't he identify as a Zulu man born into a Zulu family?
oqala ngicela ukuphendula straight away kulokho oqala ukubuze ngkhona ubuza umbuzo obalekile. Remember ukuthi our constitution and our system in an African continent, as we have been colonized, and we are living in a Dutch laws that does not have a taste of an African culture, and that they never created any African culture. And then lo mthetho esiphila ngaphansi kwayo yiyo kanye abenza ukuthi bona babe ikhanda lemthetho bengakwazi ukucabanga ukuthi thina njengama Africa lokhu sihambisana nakho lokho sihambisana nakho. And then lokho kushoyo ke exactly khona ke ngifuthi ufuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi mfowethu akukho la kubhalwe khona kanje ngoba usho engane yakwethu ngenxani na thina singabantu abaphila impilo eqondile ne-naturally until we were colonized. Azange sikubone isidingo ngoba imithetho esasinayo kwakuyimithetho ebekiwe. Even our historical moments and momentums that have been happening in the past, we got them through our praise singers and through abatwe bebhalwa phansi ematsheni, because we never had a system to hold where we come from and where we are and where we are going. The system, yes, and then we also relied on our ancestral calling that those rules and regulations were there but were never registered in any form of a document, as you're asking, my brother. So we have a challenge. Can you imagine that all the designers and these and all of these they have been patent, that they must be protected under a certain rules and regulation. You can't just go tomorrow and wear and create a similar brand look exactly like Louis Vuitton as a result of the patented protection. And then now we, in our culture, in our custom, we just assume. That's why we sometimes, when we get out of hand, we just went out of proportion, because now you are going to challenge me legally, I'm going to challenge you culturally. I think it's now the time all the churches and Nazareth Baptist Church and Lahanyana and Zulu kingdoms and customary laws, different tribes, they must protect and patent their own. For an example, amaXhosa kuze kwaqhamuka umfana lo kuthiwa uLaduma wa create a brand ebizwa kuthiwa ngamaXhosa. It is protected, although bangayifake abenzeni but it's protected. And it's time for us as a Zulu nation to customarize, to patent imvunulo yethu ukuze sikwazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sazi ukuthi imithetho ishayiwe ibekwe kanje nohulumeni ayishaye imithetho, so sozwazi ukuthi ifinance amaphoyisa awukwazi ugqoka uniform yamaphoyisa ama-G ube ungelona iphoyisa icala lelo. Awukwazi ugqoka uniform yamasosha ube ngelona isosha sidudla uyicala lelo.
Mamela, so ngamanye amagama, are you saying that? And as things to them, I must not see long makomand. Ngakminya ngizo ngakminya. Ngana iphamu ngana lutho nje.
Ngiyavuma ngala ukuthi ngiyavuka ngoba ukuthi ngangiminya. Amandla ami mina mfethu aphelela kakhulu kubeni busy. And then mfethu wena nje into eyihlalele nje elinde ukuthi
Mina into ngishoyo ngeke ugqojise indoda drive Kia. Ngeke man. Ngeke ugqojise drive Kia. Futhi man, shaya lento man.
Perfect.
Shaya ukwaza namasondo wemoto akasaphinde yama. Ngazabona indoda hamba ngeKia ejabulile mina.
Manje ngithi, so what are you saying, man? Are you, cuz you see, my thing is, right? I know ukuthi bathu inkosi yamabhinqa etc. Yes, true. However, you don't have the capacity to speak for the Zulu nation.
I was appointed by His Majesty King.
Okay, yeah, so that's where I'm going. What you're saying is then the king needs to come out as the custodian, the sole custodian and the #1 citizen of the Zulu nation. He needs to then come out and say, this is the line we draw. These are the codes of how and where you wear our attire and the strict rules. Because like you're saying, we are not people who document our rules. It's been oral things. We write on rocks historically. So then the king then must come out to say, from today onwards, because we have a problem. He's got the capacity.
No. Simple lento. Imvunulo kunemango nemiqathango ehlukahlukene ehambisana nokuthi awukwazi ukuvunula njengoba for example umuntu omawengane akanayo imvunulo. There's no customary costume eyenzelwe umuntu omawengane. Angahloba nje ngomhlalo lapha nalapha a create leso sithunzi makuthiwa kunomcimbi. Imvunulo ihlukene, kunemvunulo yensizwe, kunemvunulo yentombi, kunemvunulo yamakhosikazi abangomama abaganileyo. Yabona? Bese kuba nemvunulo nje abafana nje abasuke bebeyama benjishale belungu. Cha inyanga zane. Wena mbongono. Uzokhuluma ngenyanga lapha wena. Inkinga zakho. Inyanga lena. Yebo. Awu ngezulu manje.
Ezima sima ngaphandle. Shaka labasimba khona.
It's a time now ukuthi lento isho mfethu kahle it was a wake up call even for the entire Zulu kingdom unless we were facing some challenges. But I have been there fighting for this. Even the airport ngo 2009 ngoba nibani ngihamba ngokugcoba Obama phesheya ngimenyiwe ngalwa lapha bengivimba nehawu bethi the foot and mouth disease ngalwa usafunda isikole lapho ungabe nangisho ziyinza unamfana emveni kwalokho asuka lapho nami manje ke lento engiyiyona ngazalwa ngiyiyo 2001 ungakazalwa beG ngihamba mina phesheya kwezilwandle ngidlala ama stage plays yabona oh na ijwabe lide yabo oyosho la
What the fuck did he say?
So itenjengalezo bafana bami mina ngumkhipha impilo esiqothele kusahlalen ngiyanikhipha manje la sekuyimophethe la ngemphethe ngiyanishike
manje uthini ngendaba yakashaka Zulu ukuthi nabe nokudlulisisa amato
dakiwe
indaba basho njalo nje
lalela yabona if indaba yeyitabani iyayivele ikhona emandulo ngale ndlela echazwa ngayo manje ngabe siyibonakala kuShaka Zulu ngeke uDStv ya invest no multi choice invest 1 billion rand ukwazi for ilokujana kaShaka Zulu. Lento it shows the power of the Zulu nation and the power of the King Shaka himself as the molder of the Zulu kingdom. So lento leyo njengoba silana nje bafowethu ngifuna iqanga manga lento itabane ithanda attention engenangqondo lento ayikho sinankinga nazo ziyadla kwamaye ziyadunusa ziyachama zenza asinankinga noma ngabe zingalala ubusuku nemini kunuka isihlama udu asinendaba kodwa esibalekile abangasondeli entweni ezinkolo yethu nezimpepho yethu neusiko impilo lwethu siyabathanda abangabafowethu asihlangana nabemcimbini basishiyela ngama makeup la siyochaza kubafazi ukuthi no it was not hey it was him who is hey
drop this fucking thing.
Oh goes ngoba phela wenzane na ngelakho wemngani wami lelongelo lakho imngani wami
so awusitshele baba bona mele bagcoke yini because nabo ababantu
idwedwe amalekini amanikiniki nayo yonke into enyanyisayo siyabapha yabo
cha uma kuyi traditional wedding umfana uzalwe kwaZulu awumZulu aqhokeni yena ku traditional wedding yakhe akushilo ukuthi amadoda ashadile aqhoka lokho abafana
lokho udlala ngamo wena wena duda ngithi kuwe usakudlala nangami mina izitabani zi-creative ukubhubha zikwazi ukudesigna into enga-exist ziyenze exist. Don't kill what is existing.
Also,
don't kill, create your own culture and noma namaflag eni bese niphuma ibhodwele lenu noma ngabe umZulu ungcono kuthiwe sisibona umbala ukuthi hey lokhu uhlobe ngembala ethizeni lapha nalapha kodwa hayi ukuthi ufuna ululazi isiko lethu ululazi yonke into yethu and futhi eyitaba ngicela ukuyitshela kusola today mfowethu bekhi ngiyayithanda lento eniyenzayo ukuba firm and principled. Don't be intimidated because we have been suffering a lot to be intimidated. All my accounts are banned, and these people went straight to the company JSC. Bezokhuluma uDote ngakhona ngenhlanhla and bathola ukuthi imoto uJSC wangipha is a gift. Do you understand? Ngoba sebethi mina ngiphuca imoto. Kodwa uthola ukuthi kunobaba wakhe obulewe, kunomama wakhe odutshuliwe, yiphara, liboshiwe iphara ukuthi iphara liyadle ejele. Mina with a misunderstanding, with the different opinions happening online, you are proving yourself that you are a generation of devils. You go straight where I work. You want me to take me out. So what nation are we creating?
It's cancel culture.
Cancel culture.
It's devil culture. It's devil culture. It's devil culture.
Yes, it is.
So my accounts are banned and everything is banned. Unless you are when the treason, normal, when the in, but different opinions. Because if we can say, okay, it's fine, can we give you an island as gay people? Will you survive? Is there a future? I'm asking, is there a future?
There's the island of Lesbos.
Yes.
TikTok.
Bana
mamela ke amantombazane bakwazi ukuthengisa amapunapuna ku TikTok. Mina ke babanikeza ama rose banokuveza ithanga banikeza ama rose. Nami ke ngayenza ke nami. Ngaveza isifuba ngathi ngifaka ama rose bafaka ama rose ngibonisa isifuba. Bafaka ama rose ngibonisa imkike.
Same one.
Yona lesifuba lesi bangikhansela. It's not fair man. It's not fair. What's that? I mean ngima nawo ke. Ngima nawo my brother. Hayi kahle futhi kamnandi futhi.
Sithuphunga lezinto.
Yeah, so please break it down, ne?
Yeah.
Wimvunulo, angitushilo ukuthi khona ama
Gaxela ukuze.
Wimvunulo
akezwa focus.
Good traditional attire.
Ukukhuluma odakazi.
Good traditional attire isiZulu, isintu. Khona attires ahlukile for different levels of either women or men in society. Angithi. So how come you've never had the energy when you see somebody who's dressed maybe imvunulo of a royalty, but angasi on royalty? How come you've never had the same energy to say this is out of place?
Okay, amaphutha amaningi emhlabeni kanza kwethu. Kuyenzeka nami namanje nje your kids are playing at home but uyakwazi ukubathethisa uthi kanluthi. But ingane mayisithatha ingane ohambile usemsebenzini ithatha ifaka intombi yolala nayo embhedeni kababa wayo nomama wayo.
Damn it, Tufa.
Leyo nto leyo is extreme. If we can focus on mistakes as human beings, we can end up being a mistakes world. We're trying to correct things and then we can end up having more mistakes. But into ebalekile ukuthi into eyenzakala inkinga ngisazi isiZulu sikhuluzwa ngisazi izimbongolo nje. Emveni kwalokho lana amaphutha awafana ama levels, different levels. You can't went too extreme because you can end up spending more money on security instead of productive.
Yes.
Because we are focusing now on protection and people they're not going to be natural because once they're being natural this way you identify mistakes. Namanje ke ukushoya mfethu kuyikhona iqiniso lithi chaba kwethu lokhu amaphutha akade enzeka nabesifazana abanye bebhinqa ibheshu nabanye abayizangoma bethi bangenwa abakubo beposte bebhinqa amabheshu kurong konke lokho kodwa lokhu bese kwedlulele kungaphezulu kokwenza wes akuhambisani nanokosiko impilo lwesintu nangokosiko impilo lwenkolo.
Done. So this man is basically protecting his culture. Finish and clear. Isn't it? No. Yes, we can allow different cultures to do what they think, what they do, but let's not allow our cultures to be westernized.
Absolutely. Fana ntsena lento lena sisazo challenge. Njengoba siqedwe ngendaba yitabana kwamanye imaya zange ziphumelele ukudunusa ngemvunulo yakithi ngeke sayigqoka futhi akhositabani njengamanje am declaring statement straight away akhositabani sokuphinde savunula zagqoka imvunulo yakwaZulu ngikushilo lokho namanje ngiyakuphinda la uMacG and Chilas ngiyacela ngani zakwethu ukuthi lokho kungenzeki sihloniphaneni nathi sihloniphana imakeup ngeke ngiyisithenge ngeke nathi yogqoka amalekini thatha la malekini enu bese siphinde futhi siqinisekise ukuthi njengoba uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika esethe amadoda wathatha izibongo zabafazi ithi mina ingonyama yakithi kwaZulu King Misuzulu kaZulu lithini ukushila ukuthi asingavumi ngakho ke nami njengomuntu okhonjwe umuno wesilo ngithi indoda yakwaZulu uma amanye ama-cultures evuma manivumelele uMacG ukuthi nithathwe neyobizwa ngabafazi ngoba the aim here is very strategic ukuthi all the foreigners they will be flatting to take our sisters sending
Okonkomchuno
qamuke onkonkomchuno mawuthi macingwane athi what's that what that sound nice uthi oh Nyamboze athi
mchuno
what that oh I had my wife you just stay there are you sure
Nyamboze
oh you need to teach me more I just got married how isha isuka kwamanyama izotapala isibongo ngeke kwaZulu lokho kwenzeka ngeke khani nifuma nodwa kodwa ayikwaZulu yaqala impilo manje isilo semthethweni yonke into ihamba nice we are cruising nicely thank you South African law thank you Ramaphosa for well done job judicial system now we are officially and correctly so now we are fighting an honorable battle no Zulu man can be married by a lady and take the women lady under this.
I know.
Ghost lady, you're a Zulu mama. We mama.
Umama ushadile.
Yeah. Wena ucabanga kanjani izinto
Paulayo.
Yebo. Macingwane mina ngiyezwa konke okushoyo. Kodwa nginalesi sikhalo sokuthi kumele njengoba uSolethu ekhulumile ukuthi we have to break down for everybody how everyone should wear in terms of traditional attire. Asingabheki nje kuphela ukuthi ho yilaba abamoshile kodwa nakhona because ukuthole manje sengathi ifashion kube umemulo angisunderstand ukuthi umemulo I knew it as a coming of age young girls manje uzwa
still a virgin
you see that virgins manje you saying influencers who are in their 30s abanye 40s I'm sure ukuthi umuntu usenomemulo oh you've seen them dating their whole lives they've shared them vlogs
they've sex tapes some
probably you know so it's like how okay and then again so we sing a lot of
he's asking me for tape he's like hey drop
Nyamboze. Yes.
So ngisasho indaba yamemulo as an example ukuthi fanele sichaze kahle ukuthi umemulo owani uyabona so because abantu vele uthola ukuthi abantu bafaka isicholo awuda ushadile so yabona there's a lot of been instances where the tradition or the culture has been disrespected by abantu ngoba abazi there's a lack of understanding. So it's like we need to break it down. Umuntu oshadile uqoka kanje, ongashadile uqoka kanje. Njoba uchazile even you went to ukuthi umuntu osenengane, there's no attire, but obviously there's generic. Yeah. So I think ikona konke lokufanele sichaze kube nakhona kube a breakdown of culture.
Ilanga nakhona ama designers uyabona oma bengane.
Umemulo ngicela ukubuza first.
Nabo laba ba designer nabo ba designer bathungisa oma bengane abathungise.
Imaki umemulo abantu besifazana abaneminyaka emingaki and even what is it exactly ngicela ungichazele.
Engathi mina ngokwesizulu sakithi ukuthomba oqala isigaba sakho bese kuzoba ke umuntu osuke engena einsukwini zakhe ukuqala ekhulu khona njengomuntu sifazane ngekuthiwa ukuthomba lokwenza umhlonyana lo muntu umhlonyana uyona isigaba esibalekile kwaZulu unangokosiko ngoba is a natural path eyenzakala kumuntu wesifazane kufanele ukugijima nokubikela lokwazi ukuthi angabe sadlala kabi noma kanjani useyakhula bese gcine kuthiwa umhlonyana kuthathwe le into enanilisebenzisa for iCovid ahambe yoqhuma kwenziwe imithi emfulweni kuthiwa umhlonyana ngoba usuke sehlola ubudala kusetshenziswe leyo mithi leyo ngoba kunephunga elikhana kuthiwe ileli phunga leli stage sephunga yes ageze aqhume ngaleyo nto la ihloniphe aqala athengelwe nama cosmetics umemulo awuphoqelekile ngoba umemulo is indlela intombazane after isiye emhlonyanisile eziphathe ngayo uyichoice kababa ukubonga ukuthi mntanami wazi wangihlonipha mntanami bayazenzela njengoba bayemhlangana ngama V class nje ama fashion show onke lezo zinto because bayizinto abahambe begijima befuna into nje inkanyezi ekhanyayo they're just following kanyezi.
Yeah. Stop. Baba, Melu hambe manje because you have to go to the airport. But in closing, what I can say is whether someone agrees with you or not, what I like is that you are protecting our heritage and our culture.
Yes.
Because we don't have that, and it's been looked down upon. And without that, what else do we have?
Nothing.
They've taken the money, they've taken the land, they've taken everything.
Yeah.
This is all we have.
It would be beautiful. Sorry, can I ask something? Yes. What do you say again? Never mind what we are doing locally to our culture. Uthini ngalaba ke babuye abo America lapha bazoyenza o Black Panther. But Amandla, you know Amandla. Yebo lento butchering our culture.
All these about the president
Zulu. Yes. What do you say about those type of things?
No, I'm going there. Yeah. I'm going to sort them out.
We're coming for your ladies.
We are coming there. I'm going with the 50 warriors from the Zulu nation to show them in that parade
what a real
we
Zulu
are
is.
As the Zulus.
Yes.
With our king, we are. But we appreciate that they just. Love and education. Thank you. We really appreciate.
And last, I just want to say I agree with Mac, right? But in order to avoid rebuttals, abantu who challenge you when you're trying to protect Isintu, it would be great for higher voices within the Zulu kingdom to actually say, Guti, this we do not allow. Then I think people must also coming from the actual custodians of the culture.
Bangshippies. Khona izinto kusisikhathi efuna ikhulunywe uhlanye egcina ohlanyeni bese abantu abadala bethola isikhathi sabo ngendlela right bethi njoba nesikhumbulo isigameko sokuthi kwenze ukuthi vele kufanele kabe kunje
kunenye video
ngeke sizingane sithunyiwe bese sithi sabangisana isimo bese abantu abadala basheshe bengenelele kungonakala kangako if isimo sisakwazi ukusimanage kahle
khona ivideo abafuna ukuyidlala la no
do have time
maybe ungamthanda asazi masibone ukuthi ungazwana naye na
happening ngibona ivideo kangizwe imani ke okay but ngizwe siyavuma sizohamba kodwa nginombuzo ophuthumayo uyakhumbula ngenkathi sihlangana nami eSlow Lounge eThekwini at the FNB Slow Lounge eThekwini earlier on this year? Do you remember what you did? Uthi ngikhumbuze but mhlawumbe usukhohliwe ababehlele eSlow Lounge bayongifakazela nabasebenza eSlow Lounge bayongifakazela wena ngathi ngihleli at the business desk ngisebenza with my MacBook ngisebenza I was finishing a document. You stood up about 5 times to try and get my attention. The first time usukumile wenze ngathi uzothatha newspaper emva kwami ngoba la ngihleli khona kunama newspaper emva kwami ngakubuka. The second time wasukuma wenze ngathi thatha imagazine ulokhu manje ungibuka kodwa ungasho lutho ngakubuka nami ngangasho lutho. Okwesithathu ususukuma wasukuma usuhlangana nami ebar. Mangifike ebhangi zo-order isiphuzo nawe uyasukuma uzo-order isiphuzo kodwa into yangimangaza ukuthi etafuleni la ohleli khona isiphuzo sakho wawunaso and wawuhleli wedwa futhi. So okwesi-4-ke wasukuma futhi weza kumina e-business desk wangidlula at this time waphinde wangidlula futhi wase wama wangibuka. I eventually ngakhipha my-earphone ngakubuka because I thought khonto esilo ufuna ukisho wabingelela wathi sawubona hayi nami ngavuma ngabingelela ngaphinisela ama-earphone ngaqhubeka ngasebenza. Okwesi-5 wabona ngoba sengiqoqa ikhwama zami sengifaka i-laptop ekhwameni sengidotsa nane-suitcase wasukuma weza kumina. Your exact words were how ngiyafisa kube ngilitholile ithuba lokukhuluma nawe. Hayi nami ngihleke ngithi hayi mhlawumbe nangelinye ilanga uthi hayi nangelinye ilanga impela nje uyokhuluma nami. Hayi nami ngihlekele ngisuke ngihambele ngangazi ukuthi kwakuyimpawu lezo zokuthi
hold on man
amagezi kukhona esikwenza uyifile noma uzama ukupretenda engathi you don't know you're talking to a man on that day ngangafaki.
Oh, damn. You didn't know it's a nigga.
How would I know?
You didn't know it's a man.
It can be a bit confusing, bro. Dude, you've seen, bro. He was confused. According to her, or him, according to him.
Me, can I give you my opinion? The thing is what he's talking about, or what she's talking about in this video, is him ignoring her. There's nothing special about what she has said on this video. He's looking at the fact that Usbali was playing around her or doing his thing around her and never gave her attention. So into bekayifuna yini iya attention yakho. Yabona into leyo. Kahle bekatshela ukuthi uyomshare bese usheshe umnikeze. Yabona lokho akufunako. Kodwa sangumnikeze leyo into leyo. Yabona? So I don't know if it's true. Yamkhumbula lo muntu lo.
Obo amkhumbuli umuntu okazoqamba amanga ngempilo yakhe aqamba amanga umuntu against uNkulunkulu emzale wabo umfana bese yena ezoyiqambela amanga athi umuntu osifazane lo muntu ke who am I to deal with those such kind highly scientific kill approved lies.
Amen.
Lies and everywhere is lies.
Wathi ngakuvela ukukhwepha ngazo ke lensipho lesi
ngeke laba bantu ebayiprove ukuthi neba sithi besikhuluma udaba luqonqe nemvunulo bona bafuna ukukhulunywa ngabo. So is their territory, so they must on play with it. So I'm off.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, and wish you all the best with the flight.
Thank you very much, my brothers, and thank you very much. Carry on doing this. We are educating the nation, and we are building the nation. We are one people, and we are one culture. And the rule of law of South Africa must be honored and respected.
Yes.
And unless we want to do otherwise, and we must do it accordingly. No fight. We don't hate our brothers and sisters. No fight, no nothing. Let's continue with the biggest journey of our life of poverty, inequality, and everything. Kodwa uyamemezo kandawa uyinkosi yohlanga hayi no nishonishe ngami uthi ha uyinkosi yohlanga uyinkosi yohlanga uyinkosi yamemezo kandawa uyinkosi yohlanga yamemezo kandawa uyinkosi mani wena wandlovu
Oh shit! But am I allowed to do this because I'm Venda? Am I allowed to?
Yeah, no. It doesn't matter. Culture is one thing. And then when you get to the certain group of culture, you just bow.
Yes.
Like Romans do. You do like Romans.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Unless you want me to bow to your king.
No.
Yeah, I said
Thank you very much. It's just a simple thing.
Yes.
We are one nation.
One nation, man.
We are.
Thank you. You know that one? You don't know?
You know that one? ngathi nyokana kanti nyokana isifebe sendoda akushiwa lokho
Ayivale, man.
angazi ngizwe ukuthi indoda isifebe. That's what I know.
Tony Scott, thank you so much for coming.